Hey guys, if you want to make sure your posts go viral, then follow our steps through this video and you'll see major improvements that could lead to your video going viral. Step 1. The writing process. Titles. This is the very first thing your audience will put their eyes on, so you want to make sure it's interesting enough to grab people's attention. Now, in the thumbnail, we want to make sure to put an image that is relative to our post, and at the same time, it has to be an image that grabs the attention of people to make them stop scrolling through their newsfeed for a second and actually open your post. Now the videos and photos. If you're using videos or photos instead of just plain text, then your chances of going viral will be a lot higher, and preferably videos, because first, videos on Facebook play automatically. So if you manage to capture your viewers' attention within the first seconds, they will probably stick to your video till the end. And secondly, because they are the perfect way to tell a story, an opinion, or even a fact without being boring. If you added some music, narrative, and some good editing, then bam, you've got yourself a good video. Now step 2. The content. Generally, your content should be entertaining, short, different, and sometimes emotional. But also, you must specify the type of your content and which method you'll be using to target your audience. For example, are you going to focus on the emotional side? Are you going to tell a story? Is it going to be motivational or sarcastic maybe? All of these are factors you have to put into consideration when deciding the content of your post. Another important point is that everything in your post must be high quality. Make sure it's beautifully shot or designed. It has high resolution video and HQ audio, that it's also bright and colorful. All of these are important if you want a shot at going viral. Now step 3, timing is everything. According to the studies, it is better to post earlier in the morning rather than late, because that's when the traffic starts to go down. So it's best to post between 11 AM and 12 PM. But still, if you don't think it's working out for you and you have a Facebook page, Facebook Insights allow you to determine the best time to post on it. Also, don't post your video while something important is happening. If there's a match, for example, wait. If there are breaking news that everyone is talking about, also wait. Because people are going to be focused mainly on that event, and they won't be checking your post carefully. So always wait until your post is the breaking news. Now, step 4, create a Facebook ad. Sometimes you need just a little push so you can reach more people at the beginning, especially with Facebook limiting your post reach. So it's totally okay to spend a few bucks on ads that will help boost your post to get more engagement. But also make sure you don't spend too much money. Be wise. And make sure your ads target the right audience, the ones who react to your post the most. And finally, step 5. Have a call to action. Now this is the last step, but it's a game changer, so make sure you do it. You might think it's a bit silly and lazy to add to your post something like share if you agree, or tag your friends now and see what they think, but actually these work very often and people will listen to your post, and if they like it and can relate to it, they will do whatever action you ask them to do if they support you and your post. That's why this is extremely important. Going viral is a mixture of hard work and sometimes luck, but if you persistently do the hard work and you put a lot of effort into it, then luck will come to you eventually. But the most important part is not to give up. And follow these simple steps and you'll see dramatic improvements with your post engagement. Wish you the best of luck and thank you guys for watching the video.